a little bit of that.
There go 6-0 on 6-0 shit.
Uh-huh.
Can't see nothing, it's dark.
Where's your hook point gonna be in the front?
You got frame slots behind the front wheels.
I got what?
There's little slots in the frame.
Yeah, there are little slots in the frame.
Yeah. Let's see. Should be anyways.
Damn.
Go to those ones there.
Fuck with my rack. Got that there, that's good to go. Oh yes, the old 6-0. She gave us the middle finger, and yep, here we are.
Go ahead. This thing fired up. PTO's running. Kick on high idle. All right. Not quite yet. I'm gonna get the cable on there with some tension, and then we'll pop it in.
All right, give me 1 second.
So the guy that owns this truck, he's got his own YouTube channel. He goes to Busch Gardens here in Williamsburg, does a lot of the roller coaster videos. You can find him at VERBOLTEN TROLL is the name of his channel.
Where are you hooking it at?
I gotta double check, make sure I can get to the spots.
Okay.
Since it's a longer truck, it I gotta hook it further back so I can pull it up further. Need my light. I can't see.
Hitch.
What's that?
I said I gotta pull my hitch out.
Okay.
Because I know it's gonna scrape the ground.
Alright. That's one side. I'm out. No keys, no problem.
Good, I got the keys ready.
Oh, you're talking about for that?
Yes, because the hitch always scrapes the ground when you go to recover this bitch. Fortunately, I remember, don't hit your head on that.
Alright, hooked up. Pretty sure I just left my gloves under there. Go ahead, throw it in park.
Oh, yes, that was so fun. I like when my truck leaves me stranded. It's cool.
Yeah.
I'd be screwed if this was a long bed.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I could do short bed 4 doors. That's it. But I can't load them backwards though.
Yeah, no.
Alright, here's 2 chains. Light again. Yeah, that will help. Alright.
Anybody owning a 6.0, it's not a matter of if, it's when. This old girl leaves me stranded at least 3 times a year.
Yeah, sounds about right. Let's see. Alright. That one don't get no tension on it. I just like to hang it up out of the way.
Yeah. Now's a good time to check for rust.
Yeah.
Not bad.
That's good to go.
Like it.
That's been a mess. Fucker.
Amazing.
That's tight. Like that, we're all set. Chained in, strapped down. We're back on the road. Alright, out here dropping this truck off. Doing it without the high idle, so it might take a little bit longer. But let's see what we can do, just because it's a little quiet out here.
Alright, so what are we doing here, Randy?
Try and be quiet. Pop it out the back first.
I would get the back first.
Yeah. try it out. Oh, they're coming.
Sure it's not gonna be two in the street when you drop it?
Shouldn't be.
Okay.
The road kind of curves a little bit.
All right.
If you want to climb up in there, throw it in neutral, and once the front wheels get toward the bottom of the bed, then you can kind of turn it a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, because with the wheels being cocked, it's already going to come back towards the car. We actually might be okay. I'll still steer.
All right. Oh, I gotta get the... I forgot about the strap. Yeah, it might help if I take that off. For now, yeah. Somebody smoking some reefer. And get back on the other side. It's a little in the road.
That's all right.
It's not too bad. But if you want it closer, I can pull you back up some, turn left, and then I'll let you back down, cut it right.
That's all right.
Okay. Oh shit, that's fancy seats.
Yeah, I know, and they're cold as fuck.
Is that cat skin?
Yeah, lamb skin.
Fancy. All right, you can throw it in park. Do what? Nah, it's all good. No. All right. There's that. Nah.
hook right here and just pull me over slightly?
Yeah, actually, you know,
Wouldn't that work? If you just give me a hook and pull me over?
I'm thinking I can actually, I should be able to use this. I can pick up the front wheels, throw it in neutral, and I can just back you up closer.
Sure that'll work?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not that in the road. I mean, I don't think it'll make a difference.
Not really.
I mean, it is, but it's not. But that's gonna be loud.
Yeah. I mean, I can, if you want it just a little bit closer, yeah, I can hook a chain to it.
Nah, it's all right.
All right.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay. And you are all set, I believe. You gonna get square with him?
What's up?
You gonna get square with Steve?
Yeah, we got it covered.
All right. When you're all set, get everything out of here.
Yeah, I'll grab everything in a second.
All right. Alrighty. Now that it is 10 o'clock at night, oop, I just hit a trash can. It didn't fall over, so we're good. Anyways, now that it's 10 o'clock at night, I can finally boogie on home. Thanks to y'all for coming along, getting some 6.0 on 6.0 action. Not too exciting, of course, but at the same time, I don't even know how well any of this footage is going to come out with it being dark. I have not used this GoPro at night, so I'm not quite sure how well it came out, but I guess I'll find out here shortly once I get to editing. But thanks for coming along. Drop me a sub if you feel, and I'll catch you on the next one.